Hi, welcome back. I just removed the car here, the car part. The member field I have removed it, right? So it is no needed. So here, after that, what you are going to do is I'm going to go to my car servlet page. Member ID I no need, right? So I have all the fields I need for that car title, model ID, brand ID. So brand ID also needed. So we have got a brand ID first. After that title, right? So I have tried like this here. I need 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, right? So you have to write a 1 2 3 4 5 member ID for brand ID. This one should be the brand ID. Brand ID. Okay. So the brand ID you have to pass it here. This one should be go to my database column car, the last column. The brand ID. It's go here. Title. So brand ID it goes to the last column. That's it. Right now let's say I'm going to go to again I'm going to execute the program and check it. I'm going to add the car. Toyota car brand. I have one brand Toyota. Title Toyota 001. Model Toyota. Right title. You have to car here description something like that. I am going to create 2023 enterprise something like that. Model save. Car added successfully. Now I want to list of the car. So how to list the car? So what you can do is go back here. Right, you have a list of the car list. Car model list, car list. Right, the list has been created. Now what you're going to do is here, it has car as ID. What other things we have? A car title, description, year, price. Title, description, year, price. It consists of title, car as a title, with description, year and price. I think year, price, model, year, price, model, year, price, model, year, price, model, price, model. Right. Now here we have to, here instead of the description we have to show the brand name. That's also a must. Brand name of the car. Right. Now here what you're going to do is we have to write the query. So here instead of wasting the time I just write it. So you can see select all from car table. So here's a car table. This is a car table. Okay. Inner join, we have first we have to get the model. It's a model number. So model, we are inner join the table which is a model on model ID. The model table which is ID, the same ID available in the class table, there's a foreign key in order to relationship the car table and model, right? After that inner join, we have to get the brand as well. Brand one brand inner join brand on brand ID. This brand ID, okay, brand table ID, the same ID available in the model table, which is a brand ID. So we have a three table, we have a join. So here's a model table you have joined. The brand ID, the brand details are we are linking to the model table. Okay, so here we have a model table. So in a join model brand ID, brand type, brand at the same ID is a model table, is a brand ID, right? The same thing. After in a join, we have a member. We have a three table we have joined all together. So we have a member table. There is ID, the same ID in the card table, which is a member ID, right? So here the same thing we have did it, right? That's the thing we have did it here. The simple relationship. Select all from call table, inner join, model ID, same ID is a call table, model ID, the after the inner join brand, you get the brand table. Brand table, there is ID, the same ID available in the model table is a brand ID. After inner join, member table, same member ID, is available in another card table is a foreign key. That's the relationship we have written here. After that, here this one, first one should be the car ID. So you write a car table ID. You have to display the car ID. After that, second one, we have to title, the car title, car title. Okay, here this car title. Third one, we have to link it as a brand name. So here's a brand table, which is a name, brand name. So we have to link it the brand as well. After the same thing, you just copy and paste it over here. After that, what it is here, the car table, there's a column here. You have to write like this. Simply, you have to write like this. After that, we have to write third one should be copy and paste it here. Here brand, car year, car price, car price. After the same thing, just copy and paste it below. This one should be the car model. So model table, which is a model name. That is a model name. That after that we have to make it as a model name. That's it. After that you have to write car ID. You have to write the ID. You have to make it as a car ID. Car ID, because all things have you have to take it off here, right? So we are let's run and check car list.jsp. How is the process working on? That a problem with the join unknown car member ID. That's coming from right here. The problem is here. We no need the member ID, so I just no need them in a join. Let's get rid of this line. Brand, model ID and brand ID only keep. Right, so let's check whether before we have to execute the code, copy this back to here, paste it over here, check on it. Sorry, no database selected. Use car sale. Again, you have to execute the query. Right, it's working. Now let's check it. We have to run the query and check it. Car list. Car list. Right here, it's working perfectly well. Here we have a title, tag brand, name, price, it's a model. All the things are displayed successfully. Right, perfect. Okay, it's working perfect. Okay, thank you for watching. This I have to make the list, car list. This is not a model list. You have to mark it as car list. List of the car if you have to identify look like this way. Okay, whatever changes you have made, you have to run the application and you have to run it. Then only the changes will be applied. Otherwise, it won't changes will be won't apply. Okay, right here are now car list. Right, it's working perfectly well. Okay, thank you for watching.